Equipment downtime isn't a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Time is money, and every hour down could cost thousands in lost revenue. What separates success from disaster? Who you call. GrinderCrusherScreen is the gold standard. When your equipment fails, you get a manufacturer-trained engineer, not a service rep with more questions than answers. We diagnose fast, communicate directly with your team, and solve with precision.
Our engineer works with your mechanic directly to solve the problem together, quickly. We empower your team with expert knowledge, saving you time and money. Don't have a mechanic on staff? No problem. We connect you with pre-vetted mechanics anywhere in the US, supervised by our in-house engineer. Nationwide coverage with fast response times. Compare that to our competitors. A service rep with a 1-800 number. No factory training, no understanding of your machine. Guessing, wrong parts, equipment down, wasted time, thousands lost. Our in-house engineer solves problems, often in minutes, not weeks. True expertise, not guessing. Work with GrinderCrusherScreen, the gold standard in equipment support. Industry experts, backed by a nationwide network of mechanics. Fast solutions, saving you thousands. Visit GrinderCrusherScreen.com for more information.